Hello everybody, it's me, MLG, Renegade YT, and today I am playing another game of Skullgirls. So if enough said, let's get started, shall we? What? No. Yeah. I was experimenting a little bit more on the whole rest of the route I did. So, you know, let's just finish that. Yeah, basic. Skip. Hello, Molly. Nice legs. Alright, yeah, I did that. I don't think I recorded those two, or those three. I'm just gonna skip to the boss, because I already did the boss, but, I didn't record it. So, yeah, let's just do it. Also, while I was playing this, I gained 2 other team members that I'm still trying to level up here. Yeah, that's right. The 2 girls I fought yesterday are on my team. I wonder why. Wink, wink. Anyway, yeah. So I need to level them up. So they're like level 1s, while the other ones are like level 6 and 4. So yeah, let's just start the fight. Now this girl is tough. She's a boss, but she is majorly tough. Alright, let's do this. Crud. How? Come on. Ah! Punch me right in the gut. Ow. Finisher. Okay, that didn't do anything. Oh, come on! Right when I summoned her. Finish her! Dang it, so close. Boom, finished her. And yeah, here was the final part. Minette, Miss Fortune. Hello, dear. Anyway, Minette, where those Makati, I don't know, I still don't know how to say, bottom feeders hassling you. Those thugs have been chasing me all around all day, but this new friend of mine helped take care of them. Yeah, that's me. That's so. Pleasure to meet you. Name's Nadia. But folks just around here call me Miss Fortune. I wonder why. I mean, is it lucky for someone to get in your bed? Yee! Oh, I'm sorry. She's a member of the fish bun. What's that? Minette! Sigh. Look, it's nothing fancy. We're just a bunch of locals trying to keep this place safe and from Makati casino trash. It gets rough sometimes, but who else is gonna do it? Batman. Has it ever occurred to you that, you know, you could have also called Batman? Just saying. Anyway, a friend of Minette is a friend of mine. Okay, cool. Good to know. Anyway, you ever need anything down here in little Innsmouth? Just ask. Yeah, I kind of do need a little something, if you know what I mean. Anyway, always happy to lend a hand. I bet you are happy to land a hand. Okay, that's done. Got match reward. XP. Boom. Alright, let's continue. Okay, can move that. And over here, let's do another story mode, shall we? We completed this one, so we either have this one to do or this one. What the heck is that? It looks like an anvil with human legs and arms, unshaved by the way, with boxing gloves. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very weird image. And I want to do this one. Alright, let's do this one. Who's the boss? Next up is a gang of cartoons. That explains the anvil with the punching bags. And anyway, haha, very funny, you guys. Wait, seriously? What? I'm gonna break the fourth wall right there. Either way, let's continue. Let's do this. Downtown. Come on, tap. Okay. So, the Fishbone Gang, not a real threat, huh? Well, yeah, pretty much. You'd better not be playing KIO with me. What's that mean? Good one, sir. No one laughed. Still, we're up to our gills in crime. You're a fish. We need to hook a big one. Are you serious? You actually cracking some jokes right now? Are you serious? You ain't funny, bruh. You ain't funny. Anyway, we need to hook a big one soon. Wow, you should quit while you're ahead, sir. Yes, you should. Please. The Igrets have plenty of, anooms, and, I'll take it away, sir. Downtown New Marine, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry, is in chaos. Okay. Location, downtown New Marine and Butter Cheeks. Okay. Population, civilians, high rollers, lowlives, you name it. Targets, reports of living cartoons. Cool, okay. They think they can come in with their crazy proportions, mess with our city, and hope to get away with it? No. I guess not. Anyway, the mission has been rated T for tune, I guess. For cartoon violence. Wow, are you serious? Go get him. Will do, Molly and Adam. Will do. So basically I'm fighting cartoons. Doesn't look like I'm fighting cartoons. What the hell are you? Oh, and Andy the Anvil. Huh, that makes sense. Okay, boss told me to temper my expectations about finding crooks out here. But she wasn't kidding. Why are you talking to me? Think, Andy. If you was a Makati, where would I be making with all the illegal activities? Okay. Hey, quit eavesdropping on me. Talking to myself. Is that me he's talking to? Okay. Huh. Alright, let's fight. Showtime! Whoa! hello there. Pretty sure you have your cross on backwards, but I mean upside down, but alright. What the heck are those? Finisher! You're standing on her, but I'm not gonna say anything about it. Sweet. Oh, hello, nurse. She is returned, guys. Oh, my voice is a little cracky. Okay, yeah.
Hello, nurse.
Indeed.
Showtime!
Kind of feel bad beating on her now.
Skyward strike.
Why is the fan being
Over
here?
what happened?
What the heck? Whoa. You're gonna send yours out, but I might as well send mine out. Finish! What the heck?
Ready for your stop? Don't go too far.
What the heck? What just happened? I think she just stunned my guy.
You wish. This isn't
What the heck? They keep on sending their characters out like that. Oh, I'm stunned. I can move there. I just poked him and he just died.
you wish.
Finish her!
Show's over. Goes down smooth.
Whoop whoop! That's how you level up, boys and girls. What? No, what? Okay. Let's start continuing. So just want to finish this entire route on camera. Oh, okay. And 2 question mark people. Alright. Hey, I ain't just gonna.
Dangerous, but this is ridiculous.
Oh.
Showtime.
Ah, crap!
What's the merchandise?
She did. You got lucky.
I
Finish her!
Never want to see you again. You got
Okay. Oh god, 15 minutes and 32 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video soon. Time goes by really quickly. Okay, come on. Come on. The loading processes take so much time. Processes. Loading screens, basically. Okay. I'm gonna go with her as the last one for today. Ooh, blood drive. Okay. Yeah, I think we can take her. She's a little bit stronger than us, but still. Okay, stay a little hell away from me. For what I just saw. What the heck? Whoa, that took a hell of a lot.
It's nothing.
No, so close.
Give me a hit. Beat that.
Ow. Okay, we're so close. We're so close.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
Finish her. Yes.
We have come to terms. See you, Space Cowboy.
Yes. Oh, yes, we won. Long shot. Okay. Woo. Ooh, okay. She was tougher than I thought. I thought I could only take her away on with one character, but apparently I could not. Good to know, good to know. I'm gonna have to get stronger. Come on. Thank you. Alright, yeah. Ooh, they are super tough. Okay, yeah, guys. I think that's enough for today. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.